Okay, party people, are you ready to learn how you can become successful with affiliate marketing? I'm going to give it straight to you. And afterwards, promise me that you'll not close this video because maybe you're disappointed. Let me give it to you straight. Ask yourself 2 questions. The first question, what do people want to buy or learn? Second question, how can I solve their problems? What? Let me explain to you. People want to buy an electric car. So they're going to search on the internet. What is the best electric car to buy in 2023? I consider that as a problem. They have a problem. They don't know which car they want to buy. You can help them. How? You can write a blog post. The 5 best electric cars to buy in 2023. You list 5 cars, add beautiful images, talk about the pros and the cons. And then a lot of cars have affiliate programs. You put your affiliate links in that blog post and you help to solve that problem because thanks to your blog post, people know which car is right for them. They buy it through your unique affiliate link. You get a commission. People want to lose weight. They start juicing. What is the best juicer in 2023? You can write a blog post about it. You can grab every single car and every single juicer and create a separate blog post about it, about the pros and the cons and your experience and images and videos. And when you help people, when you solve their problems and they are convinced, I want to buy this juicer or this car, they can click on your link. You get a commission. Find out what people want to learn and want to buy. Make sure you are the solution to their problem by creating a blog post about a question they have or which choice you have to make. So that when people see your content, they know what to do. You solve their problem, you help them, and then they want to buy the thing through your unique affiliate link and you make money. That's what I do. It's working like crazy. And the great thing is I'm not a great salesman. I just help people. I say, hey, do you want to have this results? Then you need to do this, 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 and buy this. And people buy it because I show them what the solution is. And this has worked for me every single time since I apply those principles. And now I do not just tell you, this is what worked for me. Good luck. No, I will not leave you in the dark. I will go through this whole process again to show you that what I'm teaching is working. And so you can apply the same principles. And then you can start to make a lot of money in the long run.